Gone are the days where you have to figure out and go through some rigorous process just to figure out how to make some simple change as changing your IP address on a virtual machine. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change or set a static IP address on your Apstra server. Let's dig in. So currently my Apstra server has the IP address of 192.168.20. But let's say for any reason, maybe you're doing a migration or whatever the case is, you need to change the IP address of your Apstra VM because maybe that IP address is reserved or so forth. So what we want to do is pull up a PuTTY session to whatever the current IP address is for our Apstra server. And so literally all you have to do is run this one command, aos_config, and then boom, it's going to spin up this graphic interface that you can utilize to navigate to the network settings. Click OK, and perhaps yours is currently selected at DHCP and you want to change that to manual. You'll just hit the arrow key to shift your cursor down to manual and then press spacebar in order to confirm your selection, and you can see the asterisk moved. So now I'll click OK, and let's say I want to change this to 192.168.0.30. Okay, I've made that change. I'll leave the gateway as it is, and I'll leave all of the other settings as they are. I'll click OK, and at the end, it'll ask me to put in my sudo password, and then it'll prompt me to restart the network services. So I'll go ahead and click yes. Once that's done, I get a message saying the network was reconfigured successfully, and that is great. If you get something saying anything otherwise, it's likely due to a reachability issue, and it's saying, okay, we can't ping the default gateway that you entered. But I'll go ahead and click OK, and now if I hit cancel down here, I'll do a if config eth0, and I can see, hey, my IP address updated, and so now I should be able to reach my Apstra server at that new IP address of .30. So I'll type in https://192.168.0.30, and sweet. If I click advance and click proceed, I get redirected back to my new Apstra server's IP address. All right, folks, well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.